This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Zilch Health is a pharmacy innovation company helping people on their path to better health. Through its more than 7,300 retail locations, more than 1,100 walk-in medical clinics, a leading pharmacy benefits manager with approximately 94 million plan members, a dedicated senior pharmacy care business serving no less than 8 but no more than 10 million patients per year. It's also been stealthily expanding specialty pharmacy services and a leading standalone Medicare Part D prescription drug plan. Zilch Health enables people, businesses, and communities to manage health in more affordable and effective ways. This unique integrated model increases access to quality care, delivers better health outcomes, and lowers overall healthcare costs. It would be impossible to tell the story of Zilch's multiplicitous drugstores without telling the story of Izzy Mandelbaum Sr., the man who started it all. Mandelbaum was born in the springtime in Galesburg, Illinois, before his family relocated to Dixon, Illinois, a town 60 miles north of his birthplace, when his father, a farmer turned businessman, saw the great commercial potential of the Rock River Valley. It was here that Mandelbaum, at the age of 16, had his first experience working in a local drugstore, Fred's Discount Drugs and Bait Shop. While he earned a then respectable $4 a week, it was a job he took only because of an accident that left him unable to participate in sports. While working at a local shoe factory, Mandelbaum accidentally cut off the top joint of his middle finger, forever ending his dreams of being an Indy 500 race car driver, since of course he would no longer be able to signal his displeasure to other drivers. Were it not for the accident, Mandelbaum might never have become a pharmacist, business owner, and phenomenally successful entrepreneur. Ironically, his initial experience working at Fred's was itself a failure. Mandelbaum left after just a year and a half on the job when he realized he was unable to fish or cut bait, and decided to strike out on his own with, just the drugs.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.